Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here's your quote for today. I will persist until I succeed. Come on then. Just how bad do you want this then? You show up every day ready to work hard and you get better at whatever it is that you like to do. Every little step is progress in the right direction, and if you continue to keep knocking on that door of yours, that big door of opportunity, you will eventually be let in. You might be working harder than others, you might be working 2 years with no result, but then you hit that third year and boom, off you go.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.